Today we're taking a look at the replacement top keeper for Polar cam action latch kits. Now this replaces the top keeper on the Polar cam action lockable door latch kit, part number PLR 158-SS. It is a stainless steel construction, provides durability and superior corrosion resistance. A few measurements to go over with you real quick. Starting with the overall length measurement, edge to edge. Measures about 5 inches. We got about 5 inches long by 1 5/16 inches wide. And then our mount holes are separated apart from one another on center by 4 inches. And the mount hole diameter is 13/32 of an inch. That's going to do it for today's look at the replacement top keeper for Polar cam action latch kits.